Okay, so recording has been started. So let's begin. So first of all, before proceeding with Tableau, we should know why we are learning Tableau. So as you correctly told that you want to learn data analysis, but data analysis is completely a different field. Tableau is just a part of it, where we make visualizations, various charts and graphs using the data. And data comes from different places such as servers or the flat files and many other places that we will be looking at. Then comes like why we are using Tableau when there is already other tools available in the market for the visualization. For example, let's go back. So in maybe year of 2000 and later, we started working on Excel, and Excel has like latest version like Excel 2019 and 16 was also good. So why, and now we are using Office 365 as well. In Excel also we can do various visualizations using the data, and later on various tools like SAS, maybe we can do the visualization in Python as well, and many other tools are available in the market where we can do visualization. So the question comes, why we are still looking into the tools such as Tableau, and why this is in there is increasing demand for the visualization tools. So any answer for that? Because I don't want this session to be very boring and I want this to be interactive. So you may answer any question, maybe just put any guess. Hi Ramesh. Yes, audible. Okay. So we were just discussing why we are using Tableau when there are already multiple tools available in the market for creating visualizations, various graphs and charts very quickly. Maybe if we use Excel, then also it is fine and we can create various charts dynamically. But the question is, why Tableau and why maybe any other visualization tool, maybe Power BI or ClickSense or ClickView. So is there any answer that why we are using visualization tools these days? Any random guesses? Hmm. ठीक है, that is one. And any other inputs?
As per my understanding, Tableau 2 is a platform where we can visualization of the numbers of large data.
Mm-hmm.
It helps us, in graphical view and presentation, and where there are large data visualization,
Mm-hmm.
we can customize it and we can use it in a very easily way.
Right. Like to you also said it correctly, but to sum up, the increasing demand of visualization tool in this market is just because of increasing data. So as we know, day by day there are billion of transactions that are getting processed every day. If I take an example of company like Visa or maybe MasterCard, so billions of transactions get processed every day and terabytes of data is getting generated. Similarly, companies like Facebook and maybe Google, these companies are generating terabytes, or they are moving towards petabytes of data, right, these days. So there is a very difficult this is very difficult to process the whole data in a tool such as Excel. That is not possible. It will just crash. Okay, and you will not get much options to analyze your data inside Excel. And also Excel doesn't have the option to create some advanced charts that is available in Tableau and latest visualization tools such as Power BI and others. So also this is one, handling big data. Second is connecting with plenty of servers. So what is a server? First of all, I think you must have an idea about a server, but let me explain. So now we are not storing the data in our hard disk like our local machines, but the data is getting stored in the servers such as maybe databases like Oracle, MySQL, Postgres, Teradata, and these are on-premise databases. Now is a trend of, you can say, cloud databases such as Oracle is also providing cloud database. Then I can tell you about Microsoft Azure, Synapse Analytics, and then AWS Redshift, then Snowflake. So these are some examples of cloud data warehouses or databases. So with the increasing demand of big data processing, these databases or data warehouses are also getting their hardware increased so that these database can handle plenty of data. So then connecting to these databases is not possible in the traditional tools such as Excel. That's why we are using specific tools for visualization such as Tableau, Power BI, ClickSense, ClickView, Looker, and there are many more to list about. So we are taking an example of one tool, which is Tableau. The additional benefits of using a visualization tool is you can create very pretty visualization in just few clicks. You can just drag and drop few fields and the graphs and charts will be created automatically for you. Then the additional benefit is to present. So finally, what your client wants or what your management wants, they don't want to see the raw data. If you just go to them and show them like million of transactions or maybe billion of transactions, they are not interested. To make the improved business decision or to grow your business, they want कि they should get the fruitful insights out of the data. उनको raw data नहीं देखना, they want to see the fruitful insights out of it. वो क्या चाहेंगे कि you should show some good graphs and charts or maybe plots that you are going to do in visualization tool so that they can make improved business decision उन चार्ट्स को देख के. मे बी टाइम सीरीज मॉडल्स, ठीक है, टाइम सीरीज ग्राफ्स एंड चार्ट्स देख के वो देखेंगे कि व्हाट इज द ट्रेंड ऑफ देयर प्रोडक्ट्स इन फ्रॉम द पास्ट टू नाउ, ठीक है, सो दैट दे कैन improve the business and make better business decisions. So and why these visualization tool, there is one more reason that we can process or maybe we can visualize the data in real time. Suppose 100 transactions are getting processed every minute, so those transactions are getting recorded in my database. So I can stream this in live environment so that when a transaction get processed in my database, this dashboard or this visualization will be updated automatically on Tableau. So this is also possible. So that's why real time analytics is also possible in these visualization tools. And there are many more features and many more advantages that we are going to see when we start working on it. So that's why I have written what is Tableau. It is a visualization tool, but it has much more features in it. So it is a visualization tool, yes, but and much more. Much more means you can create maybe time series models. You can create regression models where you can predict the future values of the data, and so that you can at least get an estimate like what is happening in the future for your business. So you can do that also. Then you have other features as well to perform analytics within your graphs and charts. Then other features comes like you can publish it on an online server so that suppose you have Excel. So what happens in Excel? Okay. Okay, I think I missed that. Okay. Is it visible?
Yes, it is visible.
ठीक है. अंशुल, नहीं, I have already shared. Ramesh, maybe you can rejoin, so maybe it will work. Okay, so what I was telling कि we have options like if we want to visualize the data on Excel and share it with someone, so हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? We have to supply that Excel spreadsheet to someone else, maybe via email or any other channel. So मुझे हर जगह हर एक person को वो sheet देनी पड़ेगी, Excel sheet, so that they can see the charts. And maybe now there also we have some other options, but these visualization tools provide us better features like publishing our visualizations or graphs and charts or dashboards to a server, so that if you pass on that link of a server to anyone of your friends or maybe management or stakeholders, so on that link they can view all the visualizations in real time. Okay, so that makes the process easy. They can view it on a browser, or if they want they can view on their mobiles. And Tableau also provides There is so much disturbance on the call.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
Okay, now it is fine. Can anyone put yourself on mute? Okay, now we can continue. So if I want to show my visualization that I have created using Tableau, and I want to show that to my stakeholders or management or maybe any other in the organization, I can just publish my dashboard on a server and just pass on that link to them, so that they can just access that link and view all my visualizations on the server. So this makes the process very easy and very, like you can say, it is a very cool task that Tableau is achieving, that we have to just supply the server link and that is done. Your stakeholders and clients or अब ठीक है? Okay, so अब is it fine now? Hello? Hello, is it fine now? Hello, is it fine now? Okay, I think let's continue. So your clients and stakeholders can also access the Tableau mobile app. So Tableau also has a mobile app which they can download from maybe App Store or Play Store. So they can also view your visualizations on the go. Maybe they are traveling and maybe accessing from anywhere using the browser or using Tableau mobile. So this is the overview of Tableau, and there is one more advantage why we are learning Tableau, that is Tableau has a very big stake in the market right now. If I talk about visualization tools, right? So the biggest competitors for Tableau is Power BI, which comes from Microsoft. Aryanshul?
Yes, sir, we can hear you. Yeah, yeah.
Okay, thanks. So now we are going to see why we are going to learn Tableau. Or let me mute all. But now everyone will be muted. So now okay, so now let's learn what are the different tools available in the market for Tableau. Am I audible?
Yes, same here. Voice is breaking.
Okay, is it fine or is it still breaking? Okay, maybe there are some issues in between. Okay, so these are the products offered by Tableau. So these are some list of products like Tableau Prep, Tableau Desktop, Tableau Server, Online, Reader, Public and Mobile. These all comes from Tableau. So we'll be focusing on Tableau Desktop for now, but let me just brief you about all the tools. So first one is Tableau Prep. It is basically a ETL tool which is used to cleanse your data or data wrangling. So अगर आपके डेटाबेस से कहीं से भी आप डेटा फेच कर रहे हो, so to clean that data or to pre-process that data, Tableau Prep tool is there. And this was not there maybe 1.5 years ago or maybe 2 years ago. This was launched maybe within 1.5 to 2 years. The oldest tool of Tableau is Tableau Desktop, in which we create the actual visualizations. Without this Tableau Desktop you cannot survive, because this is the heart of the Tableau. where everything is done, everything is developed on Tableau desktop. The next tool is Tableau. हाँ, रिकॉर्डिंग चल रही है. Next tool is Tableau Server. So Tableau Server is okay. Let's come to first Tableau Online. Then I will come back to Tableau Server. So Tableau Online is a cloud software where you can access it and publish your all the visualizations or the dashboard that you have created on Tableau desktop. That will be published on Tableau Online, right? And this is provided by Tableau, right? But if I talk about Tableau Server, so Tableau Online is like free that you can access it, but Tableau Server, in Tableau, if you want to use Tableau Server, you should create the server and the infrastructure on your side. So Tableau Server are mostly used by the clients who want to secure their data on their premises itself. They don't want to rely on Tableau. They set up their own. They set up the server on their own infrastructure. But in case of Tableau Online, we are taking the infrastructure from Tableau. So यहाँ पर क्या होता है ऑनलाइन में कि everyone has the access to the server which is free. जो infrastructure है that is provided by Tableau. But on Tableau server this is not free. जो infrastructure cost है that has to be handled by clients. That's why सारी companies में Tableau server use होता है, not Tableau Online. Tableau Online में क्या होता है per individual cost होती है, that is $10 or maybe $20. But Tableau server comes as a organizational base. ठीक है, so this is set up in the organization mostly. Then comes Tableau Reader. Tableau Reader is just like Tableau Desktop. Tableau Reader is just like Tableau Desktop where so in Tableau Desktop we developed everything, but Tableau Reader is to just share what we have developed. So Tableau Reader is also a tool that can be downloaded on your machine, and Tableau Desktop is also a software that can be downloaded on your machine. But server and online, it's a cloud based softwares. You cannot download it, you have to just access it from your browser. But in Tableau Reader you cannot edit anything. This is just for view purposes, whatever you have built on desktop. So just remember, Tableau Reader is just used for viewing purpose, not for editing anything. Then comes Tableau Public. This is a public cloud. You can create a profile for 100% free. You have to pay nothing, and you can publish your dashboards and stories here on Tableau Public. And you can also see the gallery that is provided by Tableau under the developers of Tableau, and I will just show you in just a minute. And the last application is Tableau Mobile, which can be downloaded from Play Store or App Store, and you can see your visualizations there. So very quickly, let me take you through Tableau Public. Go to your browser and search for Tableau Public, and here I have just logged in from my account, and here you get 10 GB of usage for free. You don't have to pay anything for Tableau Public. And then you can see I have published few visualizations here, and that was too old if I remember it correctly. If I view this, you can see the visualization that I created. I don't remember when I created it, so let me see the date. Okay, so it was published on Feb 3, 2018, and this was just for demonstrating purposes. I was just checking the Tableau Public functionalities. So this is how you can export your or maybe publish your visualizations to a cloud software which is Tableau Public, which is completely free. Then comes the gallery, which is very important to see, like how good visualizations can be created using Tableau. So gallery is something in which the work has been done by multiple developers and Tableau team, and these are some of the vizzes that we are going to see. Viz means visualization. These are some of the vizzes that we are going to see that are built using Tableau. Let's quickly take a look. So you can see these are some of the vizzes that has been created, and first one is Myers-Briggs. Can you see my screen? Myers-Briggs type indicator. ओके ओके, आई थिंक फिर इस पे जियो मीट में कुछ लैग है. मैंने अब डू यू वांट कि शैल वी शिफ्ट इट देयर राइट नाउ? ओके, सो लेट मी शेयर द जूम लिंक इन अ मिनट एंड वहाँ पे ज्वाइन करते हैं, ठीक है? सॉरी फॉर दिस. पता नहीं, मतलब आई एम स्पीक. Okay, let me share the link and let's join there. Zoom. Let's connect on Zoom. Okay.